In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a web dashboard that pulls data from Airtable. And I'm going to do this with the free online app StyleBI. So I'll start by signing into StyleBI. You can create an account. I just sign in with my Gmail. Click connect to a data source. From the list of data sources, select Airtable. Okay, so the first thing I'll need to enter is my API token, which I'll need to generate on the Airtable website. So I'm already signed in to the Airtable website. I'm going to go to Account, Builder Hub, under Developers, Personal Access Tokens, create tokens, give it a name. And I need to add scopes to my tokens. So to connect to StyleBI, you need to add the following scopes. Data records, red. Data record comments, red. Schema bases, red. And user email, red. So make sure that you have these four. Then you need to give access to your base, which is the Airtable shorthand for a database. So I'm going to add my database. Create token. Okay, it just created my token. So press this button to copy it. Paste the token into where it says API token. Now I need the test base ID. This is the ID for the particular database I'm using. And this can be found in the URL of the database when you're viewing it on the Airtable website. So on Airtable, I go back to the main page and I select my database. In the URL, I can see the ID of my database. It is the first string of characters that comes after airtable.com, after the slash. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that into where it says test base ID. And then for test table, this is the simple name of the table within the database. So my database just has one table. It's called sales records. So I'm going to type that in. Click OK. The next step is to create a query to Airtable. Select Airtable query. I'm going to select the endpoint records because I want to see all of the rows. So once again, I'm going to enter the base ID and the table name. I also need to enter the time zone. Now, Airtable documentation has a page with a list of what to enter for each time zone. I'm going to enter New York. And then there's also an Airtable documentation page. I'll provide the links for both pages in the description, where it gives the different user locales, which tailors the language that is used. So I'm going to enter EN-US for US English. Okay. Going to uncheck expand arrays because I just want to see the sheer row data. Save my data worksheet. Next step is to create dashboard. And when I click create dashboard, it's bringing me to the visualization recommender, which is going to recommend different chart types or table types based on the fields I choose. So I'm going to do sales total, and I'm going to break that down by region of the company purchasing, and then also by salesperson. Name my dashboard and save it. So now I have a stacked bar chart that is pulling sales data from my Airtable, showing the breakdown of total sales by region and by salesperson within that region. And I can also filter it a bit by adding product price as a slider. So now I have an interactive Airtable dashboard with filtering capability where I can limit the product price and see the sales breakdown by region and salesperson for products within that price range. And that's how you create a web dashboard from Airtable using the free online app StyleBI.